Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to P2P trade on NoOnes. And first of all, I need to tell you something, because P2P trade is simply the way where you can buy or sell cryptocurrency directly from a person. So there's no middleman and you can do this directly to a person. So if you click now here on P2P trade, you will find here this site and we can buy something or we can sell something. It's exactly what we want. But right now we want to buy something. So we search for an offer. So let's say there's a promoted offer, so we will buy this. Then what you're gonna do is fill in here the amount that you want to buy. Now the maximum is 273 euros of Bitcoin. And there is a little fee. So if we click now here on confirm and buy, we buy 252 euros of Bitcoin. So let's say now we do this, buy and confirm. And then right now we need to make the payment using Remitly or whatever we want. And then we can fulfill the payment, and then we just bought some crypto cheaper than on the website directly from this person. This was an example, but you can play with this. But this is how you can P2P trade on NoOnes. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, please comment them below. And then from now, thanks for watching. Ciao.